We'll guide you through how to export a Jupyter Notebook to PDF in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. Make sure you have the Python and Jupyter extensions installed, as these are essential for working with notebooks in VS Code. Once your notebook is open, go to the command palette by pressing Ctrl and Shift and P together. In the command palette, type Export As, and select the option Export Current Notebook as PDF. This will open a new dialog where you may be prompted to install additional dependencies like LaTeX if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to install these dependencies. Then, choose the location where you'd like to save your PDF file. After selecting the location, click Save, and VS Code will process the notebook and generate the PDF. If you encounter an error related to LaTeX, ensure that a LaTeX distribution like MikTeX or TextLive is installed on your system. Once the PDF generation is complete, you can navigate to the folder where you saved the file to view your exported PDF. This process provides a professional-looking document, perfect for sharing or archiving your work. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.